Imagine waking up and realizing thousands of dollars from your crypto portfolio are gone, vanished into the air. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, it's real and it happens to thousands of people. In today's video, I'll show you the most shocking crypto wallet hacks and more importantly, how you can protect your asset like a pro. Stick around because this could save you thousands, maybe even millions. Mt. Gox hack 2014, over 850,000 Bitcoin stolen. The lesson? Centralized exchanges can fail. Bitfinex hack 2016, 120,000 Bitcoin stolen. The lesson? Even big exchanges aren't invincible. DeFi rug pull 2022. The lesson? DeFi rug pulls 2022. Investors lost millions due to fake contracts. The lesson? Always verify smart contracts before investing. Phishing emails and fake websites, weak passwords and reused passwords, compromised private keys, malware and keyloggers. Quick question, do you know if your crypto wallet password could be guessed in under a minute? Comment yes or no. Hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor keep private keys offline. Example, always buy directly from the official store. Enable two-factor authentication. Even email level hacks can ruin your day. Strong, unique passwords. Maybe even use a password manager. Back up your seed phrase safely. Never store online. Write it down offline and keep it secure. Maybe even split it into multiple safe locations. Check URLs and avoid phishing links. Look for HTTPS plus official domains. Which of those steps are you already doing and which ones shocked you the most? Comment below, I would like to know. Every minute you wait, hackers are looking for wallets just like yours. Don't wait until it's too late. Grab a hardware wallet, enable 2FA and protect your crypto today. Seriously. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any future crypto updates. And remember, your crypto isn't safe unless you are proactive. Thanks for watching and I hope I see you in the next video.